If you want a healthy breakfast recipe that is quick and easy, this video is for you. This healthy breakfast recipe is tasty, nutritious, and quick. And above all, it's so easy to prepare. You just need three main ingredients, which is bread slice, egg, and cheese. The rest are optional to enhance the taste. So let's learn this quick and healthy recipe. Things that you would need to prepare it include a slice of multigrain bread, 1 spoon of butter, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of grated cheese, a pinch of oregano and parsley. To prepare green tea, you would need green tea and lemongrass leaves. Take a slice of bread. Press it with back of the spoon to make space for egg. The depression would not allow egg to spill over. Apply butter on the slice. Crack open an egg and place it in the depression on slice of bread. Microwave it for 30 seconds and then add shredded cheese. Now sprinkle oregano and parsley over it. Then microwave it again for 20 seconds and your breakfast is ready. If you want to have green tea with it, put green tea and lemongrass leaves in a mug and add boiling water. Now you can enjoy a breakfast that is high in antioxidants, particularly in the green tea. These antioxidants are helpful in preventing the cancer and other heart diseases. It is high in protein. The high protein breakfast will make you full and won't let hunger come back very soon again. So it will prevent the cravings. It has got the right complex carbohydrates, which can be very helpful in making you feel full. The eggs, the cheese, these are full in calcium. So your bones would be healthy. It is going to be good in fat. That is, it has got all the good fats in it, particularly the cheese. So this is the perfect breakfast recipe. The best thing about it is that it is quick and easy.